Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2011 Nissan Sentra and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is maybe not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video applies to 6th generation of Nissan Sentras made from 2006 all the way up to 2012. Okay, so the passenger compartment fuse box is located just behind this small compartment here. So you want to open it up and then you want to lift it up from the bottom to completely remove it. And on the back side of this cover you'll have also a nice small fuse diagram. Okay, so you will be checking two fuses. First one is this one here. It's a 20 amp fuse. It's a subwoofer and the amplifier fuse. So you will check this one in case there is no sound coming from the speakers. And just next to it there will be a radio fuse, 10 amp radio fuse, and you will check this one if your radio is not powering up. Okay, and I will show you now in the fuse box which fuses are those. Okay, let me just squeeze my hand inside. So you will be checking this one here, the 20 amp fuse. So this is the amplifier and the subwoofer fuse, and this one just next to it, 10 amp red fuse. This is your radio fuse. So what you want to do, you want to pull them out with pliers, check them. If they are burnt, replace them, and that will most likely fix your problem. If it doesn't fix it, there is something else happening, then you might want to check your radio, check the connections behind the radio, and troubleshoot it further. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.